Hi, this is the second part of Coraline Maneskin. And in this second part, we play some different position. This is F position, F major. We play the index finger on the sixth string and the middle finger on the third string of the second fret. In the right hand, we can play thumb, index, or instead of that, you can play thumb and middle finger. The original is thumb and middle, but it depends on you. It's up on you. 4 times, and then we move to the third fret. After this second part, there is a sequence of chords. A minor 4 times, E minor 4 times, A minor 4 times, E minor 4 times, F major 4 times, D minor. So then enters the rhythm, the drums. Be careful to move the hands or with the pick or without the pick as I do. The movement is this. Down, down, up, down, up, down. So, next part, the third part, we will play all the songs. Good job.